Good morning. Nice chilly morning for us, Christmas Eve. Just finishing up a few jobs, but also gonna weld a diff on my E46 325. There you go. Just a 325 M54, my daily. Needs coilovers, needs to be lowered. But yeah, there's an open diff on it at the moment. It's the longest they've probably had an open diff on a car. So going to get that done. We're not doing anything on the stroker this weekend because obviously Christmas. So hopefully we'll get weld a diff and do a couple of donuts and a couple of burnouts, and we can release that for you instead. So I'll film as much as possible. I'm not going to do a how-to guide. Pretty self-explanatory. Remove the diff, weld it, refit it, and do skids. So I'll show you a bit as we go along. And for anyone who doesn't know what a diff looks like, that's it. And we're going to take it off, weld it, and do some burnouts. Here she is, diff is off. 3.15 ratio medium case. That's what my floor looks like on my subframe. Looks like it's been parked on a beach. I'll reinforce it and polybush it at a later date. But for now, it's just welding this. Yeah, Ross is currently on welding diff duty in the background. I'm just waiting to refit so I can go around this. While Ross is welding my diff, I'll show you one of our next projects. We start after Christmas. It's one of our customers' cars, Pete Marshall. It's an E46, currently a 325. It's got Wizards of Lock modded hubs and 50mm extended arms. I think they're fibre factory over fenders. It's a full 6-point bolt-in cage. As I said, currently an M50, but we have a M60 B44 ready to go in. I think it's an E90 330 diesel gearbox and an adapter plate to match it all up. So probably do a series on that when we start building it, so that's something else you can look forward to. So that's the diff welded. Going to do some donuts now and see what it's like. Never drifted a 325 E46 before, so it might be shit. Right, so it does donuts nice. Needs to be lowered. A set of coilovers. It's quite boaty. So that's what's done. We're finished for Christmas. Happy Christmas to all our customers. Say happy Christmas, Ross.
Happy Christmas,
Ross. So yeah, Merry Christmas. See you in the new year. Enjoy the video.